In this video, let's review some of the key differences between the administrator and customer-facing quote pages. Log into your admin panel and click the Quotes and Layouts tile. Let's pick an existing quote from the list. Click on the quote number on the far left side of the quote line. This will take you to the administrator page for that quote. Note that the quote header says Admin Layout in CAD view. The admin quote header contains a status pill. It will show if the quote has been sent to the customer, is still a draft, or if it has been revised. Also, in that row of pills is the Send to Customer pill that will send a notification to the customer with the pricing and links to their quote page. The third pill contains the revision letter and a revise button for the quote. Finally, we have the creation date and time and the quote number for reference. The Client and Specs tile will have information for the customer name, email and address, the primary dimensions of the pack, the primary material, and quantity quoted. The pricing snapshot includes information on the number of line items, subtotal, printing charge, unit price, and total of the quote. Moving down to the Materials Explorer tile, we have information on the primary material, material family, and material density. Also, there are two shortcuts that will direct you to the materials catalog and cushion curve data for the quoted material. Let's click the Material Catalog. This page lists all of the available materials with actions to edit the material's minimum charge and price per cubic inch. Next, let's explore the cushion curve information for the quoted material. Click on the View Cushion Curves link. This page shows all of the cushioning properties of the quoted material. Lowest G level, static PSI range, G level range, and deflection. Also, you can enter a static PSI and find the nearest tested point for quick reference. In the customer-facing view section of the Materials Explorer tile, we have two pills. One to view the customer's quote, and one to download the PDF drawings of the quoted foam. We will review the PDF download file in an upcoming video. Next, we have the Customer-Requested Cartons tile. This section includes information on the RSC, or mailer, that was selected during the quote process. The carton will be listed along with the supplier information if it is a stock ordered box. Up next is the Foam Layout and CAD Export style. This section contains the file downloads for the quoted foam in STEP and DXF formats. Each quoted layer will be shown here with a preview of the top view, package information, and saved date and time. Lastly, we have the Layout Activity and Line Items tiles. The Layout Activity tile shows save information for the quote and files. Also, if the quote has revisions, this area will give the option to view previous quotes and files. The Line Items section shows a quick rundown of the line items and pricing of the quote. Let's go back to your dashboard so we can review the customer-facing quote next. Again, click the Quotes and Layouts tile. Let's select the same quote, but this time click the Review button on the far right of the quote line. Note the quote header says Interactive Quote Viewer. This is the exact quote page the customer sees. This quote header has the same information as the administrator quote page, but the pills on the right side are different. We now see Print this quote, Forward to Sales, and Schedule a call. The Specs and Pricing tiles have the same information as the administrator quote. The Layout and Next Steps tile gives general information about the quote and recommended next steps. The line items tile lists all components included in the quote. The foam set line shows the finished dimensions of the foam set and the foam price. Under that, each foam layer is listed with its dimensions, and a quick removal button to remove the item from the quote if needed. The packaging will be listed below the foam lines with all relevant information and a quick removal button. The foam layout package tile includes top-down previews of the foam layers. Package can save date and time. Also, in the tile is a pill called Open Layout Editor. This link takes the customer back to the editor page where they can edit the components of the quote. As you can see, the editor opens with all of the previously input information for the quote. The customer may adjust the components as needed. This has been a review and comparison of the administrator quote page and the customer-facing quote page. We hope you have found this video informative, and we look forward to creating more videos to help you navigate the apge quote software.